You can search for a stock or fund inside the Discover tab. Up here you can find the search bar. The best way is to search by the name or the ticker. So for Apple, you can search for APPLE, the full name, or APPL, the ticker directly. For funds, especially ETFs who have tickers, you can search by their tickers as well, such as VUSA, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or their full name, such as Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust. Sometimes you won't find the securities you're looking for, and there are a couple of reasons. The most common issue is the ticker you're looking for is too short for us to return you meaningful results at the top. For example, BP here is inside the search list, but it's not on the top, so you have to scroll down to see BP. The best solution here is to add a space after the full name, or to enter the official full name of that company. Another issue you may run into is for ETFs. When you search for a ticker, it doesn't show you any results. And the reason for that is for some of the ETFs, they have multiple currency share classes, such as USD, British pounds, or Euro. By default, we always have the USD share class for our ETF universe. A good example would be the iShares Global Stock ETF. Its British pounds ticker is SSAC, and its USD ticker is ISAC. So if you search just SSAC in the app, you won't see anything, but if you search ISAC, you'll actually find the ETF you're looking for. So even though both tickers are listed on the London Stock Exchange and are available for the UK citizens to buy, unfortunately in the app we always have the USD share class as the default ticker instead of the British pound ticker. So the best solution here is to search for the full name, which is iShares MSCI ACWI UCITS ETF. And once you start typing that full name in, the app is able to return you that correct ETF. And finally, as you can see on our 9 results page here, once again we use the USD share class for the funds. We do not cover stocks in some of the countries, especially a lot of the emerging markets and frontier markets. And if a stock is too small, less than $100 million market cap, or less than 2 analyst ratings, we do not cover them in the app, unfortunately. And as for funds, they have to be available to buy in the UK or the US. And for the mutual funds, they will have to have at least $500 million of assets under management. But it's also very important to stress that if you want to find something that is not in the app and you wish us to cover that, please do get in touch. And you can do that from the profile page, go to the bottom, and there's a get in touch with the team pop-up. Tell us what you need and we'll try our best to accommodate.